When you're marketing a fingerprinting business, you need only three things. You need a Google My Business, you need a website, and you need good content on both of those in order to convert a visitor into a customer. Let's check it out right now with the screen share. All right, so first thing that you're going to need when marketing a fingerprinting business is a Google My Business. Now, I'm going to show you on the screen right now what a good Google My Business looks like. And then in a link below, I'm going to have a tutorial on how to create a Google My Business from scratch totally for free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in here a local keyword for customers in your area that are probably looking for fingerprinting services. So let's choose Austin, Texas as an example. I'm going to type in fingerprinting Austin TX. Now, this is an example of local search traffic, local SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So, customers who are in your local area, they're going to be Googling things like fingerprinting, place your city in here, and then the state. Or they're going to be Googling things like fingerprinting near me, live scan near me, fingerprint cards, ink fingerprinting, whatever it is. The first thing that's going to pop up, as you can see in these results, are a Google My Business profile. Now, here's what happens. Three profiles for the Google My Business will pop up in most search results. Below the search results there will be websites that pop up as well. Now, what I'm going to say right now, and this is proven by statistics in web traffic for most, if not all, small businesses that have a physical location or are mobile only, is 80% of website traffic will click on the Google My Business listing. 20% of website traffic will click on the website below. So if you're just starting out or if you want to learn how to market your fingerprinting business, you must focus on your Google My Business first. I'm going to choose the second location here because it's not number one, it's not number three, but it's number two. It's right in the middle. And I'm going to show you what good content looks like on that Google My Business. So let's choose on the go fingerprinting here. On the go fingerprinting, as you can see on this Google My Business profile, great images to start off showing exactly what they do and what they provide. It has the location, it has the address, it has the hours of operation, it has a phone number, and it has a link for appointments that customers can go to when they want to book an appointment. It also has products. Products are things that the company or the business sells. So this is normally a physical product, but it can also be a service that you're looking to offer in your small business. And again, this could be whether you are mobile or you have an actual office to provide this service. If we scroll down below, we have great reviews. This profile has approximately 34 reviews. The biggest things inside of Google My Business that's going to push you to the top of the search traffic is going to be your category. So make sure that your category is a fingerprinting service business. So if you are looking for more fingerprinting traffic and you're looking to market your fingerprinting business, your main category must be a fingerprinting service. That's going to be number one. Number two is the content that you put on the profile. Do you have images? Do you have products? Do you have reviews where people talk about the actual service? Reviews are going to be number three. That's the third signal that's sent to Google that shows that you have a strong business. So when you're creating your Google My Business, and again, if you need a tutorial, go right down to the link below and it'll show you exactly how to do this for free in a whole bunch of steps. It's very easy to follow. You're going to need your category to be a fingerprinting business or a fingerprinting service. You're going to need content images and things like a logo or things like images of the equipment that you have, or have you done appointments before? Take pictures of those, upload them to your Google My Business. And then third is you're going to need people, previous customers, to send a review to your profile to give it some social proof so that this way when people are looking at it, they see that people have visited this location before, they've contracted with your business before when it came to paying for a service, and they had a great time doing it. So it gives you that social proof. Those are the three things that you're going to need in your Google My Business to make sure that you start ranking more and start getting customers, website clicks, and phone calls for your service. Let's hop into the website. Let's see what content the website has on it. So as you can see, the website, the most important thing for a website in order to convert visitors into customers is the content that lies within the website. Contrary to popular belief, you do not need a crazy sophisticated website in order to market your fingerprinting business. You need a very simple website with good content on it. So let's pick apart the homepage of this website and I will show you why it converts website visitors into customers. So right here at above the fold, what we call in the marketing industry is we have the homepage. First thing that you see is a good image of a fingerprint with a headline that says fingerprinting and background checks. Second thing that you see is a button that says make an appointment. So what the website visitor is doing in their mind right now is they are reading this website. They are probably interested in these services, but they're looking for content to justify them paying this company money in order to get the service provided for them. The first two things that happens is it shows the customer exactly what this company offers. The second thing that happens is it gives them a call to action, which is to make an appointment. Let's say that's not good enough. Let's say they continue scrolling and they don't click the make an appointment button. What they'll do from here is then they'll see what the company offers, the types of services within the company that it provides. Let's say the website visitor needs more information on exactly what this company does to see if they're willing to pay the company for the service that they need. So we have here listed ink, fingerprinting, live scan, background checks, FDLE, FINRA, and mobile appointments. So if the customer doesn't have the right amount of information to be able to pay this company money, then they're going to see more information that makes them more comfortable with possibly making an appointment. And again, below each and every service item, we have another button where if they need more information, it goes directly to the page that gives them more information about the fingerprinting service that they're inquiring about. Now, let's say we go back to the home page and we continue to scroll down. If the information about the specific service wasn't enough, now we're giving them information on the process on what it takes to actually schedule an appointment. Because if you look at your mind and how the customer or how the potential customer is reading the website, is if they did not schedule an appointment by reading this first section here, then they're going to want to know what specific services that this company offers. If they still haven't made an appointment, they still haven't clicked that button or made a call to action or paid for the service yet, they're probably going to want to know, what is the appointment process? What do I do next? You need your website to give content to the website visitor to make it absolutely foolproof, to give them an exact plan of action, to know what to do and when, so that this way you can make more money. So if they're reading the appointment process here, they're seeing that they choose a service, they choose a date and a time, and they meet at a location. And then right below that, again, another call to action with a button that says make an appointment. Let's say that is even not enough, and they want to know pricing. Pricing is usually the last thing that the website visitor is going to need to see in order to take action and become a customer. So all the pricing for all the services are listed out here. And then if we continue scrolling below, boom, another call to action to create an actual appointment and pay money to the business that's offering this service. Now, even if that is not enough, then we have frequently asked questions below that will give them that last bit of information to be able to create the trust between the business and the customer to become into a sale. So your website, no matter how many pages you have on it, should follow this process. We're going to run through it one more time. It should have a homepage saying at a base level what the company offers. It should have the services explained with buttons to learn more if they need more information. It should have the appointment process and what they need to do next in order to actually become a customer. Then it's going to need pricing information. This is kind of controversial. You can add pricing, or you could say pricing varies, but there is going to need to be some type of pricing information on the website for the website visitor to turn into a customer. Last but not least, you need another call to action to create an appointment, whether it's mobile or with an office space or whatever it is that you're doing, and then frequently asked questions below that. Every single page you create on your website should come in some format like this. If you are missing any of this content, then you are missing out on money. Plain and simple. Now, let's see what else we have on the website that can help you grow more in the search traffic from what I was showing you before. Because remember when I said 80% of traffic is going to come from these Google My Business listings? If they do not click on this, and your website is old enough and has good enough content on it to be able to start ranking in this section, this is the search engine result page. If your website is ranking top in here and has good SEO on it, then you're going to start showing up here. And when you show up here and you click the website, you're going to go to here, which comes all back to the content of what's on the website. So again, 80% of traffic is going to be caught on that Google My Business, whereas 20% of traffic is going to be caught right here below on the search engine results page that shows your website. And we just went over the content structure in the website and what you should have in order to convert a website visitor into a customer. Last and not least, you should have some form of payment process. Let's say I am a customer and I want a fingerprint card done, and I'm scheduling to make an appointment. I'm going to schedule to make an appointment. I'm either going to call or I'm going to continue going forward with this appointment process. I'm going to run through this appointment process, choose a date, choose a time. I'm going to enter in my information here. After you enter in the information here and you choose all the steps below, it's going to route you to payment, and then you're going to use some type of credit or debit card. Think of it just like any other business. Marketing for a fingerprinting business is no different than marketing for a doctor's office, marketing for a restaurant, marketing for any other small brick and mortar or mobile service based business provider. It's going to be the same process. So don't reinvent the wheel. Just have those three things. Now, to recap real quick, what we went over is the three things that you need: a Google My Business, a website, and good content on both of those to convert the website visitor into a customer. It's all about putting yourself in the mind of the customer. If you give the customer the right information and you create enough trust, then they will pay you for the service without you ever even speaking to them. Last but not least, I like to make an analogy. Think of the customer as being on a bridge. You are at the end of the bridge. Your customer is all the way at the starting point of the bridge. If you can bring your customer closer to you at the end of the bridge, you have a better chance of that customer giving you money without ever even speaking to you. Same goes for on the phone. If you're on the phone and you brought the customer to you and they have called you, you've done your job in marketing your business the correct way. Now it's all about building trust. So in marketing, there's two things that you need. You need to entice the person to click to learn more or find out more information. And then you need to entice the person to make a call to action, which is usually making an appointment, sending out a contact form in your email, or paying for the service to be done on a specific date and time. So without further ado, that's the entire process to market a fingerprinting business. My name is Dan Jerkwitz. If you have more questions below, there's a link below that shows you exactly how to do this, but I'm happy to help and happy to show you the inner workings behind how to market a fingerprinting business if you're just starting or if you're looking to grow or scale.